Hey everyone, I'm Travis and let's get wanderlost. Some really good friends of ours are currently on Allure of the Seas and they sent us some photos of the new terminal at Galveston, Texas. The new terminal looks amazing and is definitely an upgrade over the old terminal in Galveston. They also sent us a video and some photos of their stateroom on Allure of the Seas. They had an inside cabin on deck 3. They said the room was very comfortable, and the only thing that they wish it had was some sort of luggage rack or storage for their suitcases. Like I said, the room was on deck 3. They are located in between the conference center and the main dining room. We hope you enjoyed this quick look of the new Galveston terminal and this inside cabin on Allure of the Seas. We are planning to sail on Allure of the Seas sometime later this year, probably in October. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the section below, and as always, please remember to like and subscribe.